How to remove unused space. In the computer hard drive, here are 4 simple methods that AI can also do. Method 1. Remove files on the home screen. In download files and trash. Method 2. Remove junk files in cache. Be a method. Cleaning hard drive. C. Remove old files of the Windows operating system. Method 4. Removing hundreds of gigabytes of memory. Ramming of a data. Now we proceed to delete data on the main screen of the computer. Delete all the files we don't use. All the files it's no longer worth using. We're going to erase it. You can press Shift, Delete to clear it straight out of the trash. That it won't store in the trash anymore. Here is a file. This 5.33 gigabytes. A very large file, and this file is actually no longer in use, so I'll decide to delete it. Then now we are going to delete the downloaded files. In the admin section, some machines will be users. Check the capacity to see 17.8 gigabytes a lot. There's no reason we shouldn't clean up. Lots of files. Data that we no longer use. We decided to delete it. Lots of files, now we're going to delete them all. You can use the Ctrl key to black out everything, then press the Shift Delete. To clear it all, clear it out of the trash. So it's no longer in the trash. You're also very oblivious, is not deleted in the trash, because of the things. The file we just deleted, it's normally in this trash can. We can Ctrl Shift Delete to clear it straight out of the trash. It's cleaned from recycle bin. Call window run. By pressing the Windows or key combination. Here type give me temp, then press the OK. Ctrl plus A. Shift Delete, always clear out of the trash. Continue to call the window run, type for me. %temp cell count. Continue using the CT or LA key to black out all. Then the Shift Delete erases it out of the trash and it's done. Very simple. At Drive C, select Properties. Select Disk Cleanup. Did cleanup system file YK. In this window you will enter, go to all the files in here. The files are not necessary. Press the OK, it will run disk cleanup. Delete file. It has a file that I didn't misread. It's 27 gigabytes. This file is very heavy. The Windows.old file. This file is easily deleted. The next one is, we're going to go into that hard drive fragment. Click on this Tools. This Optimize. Press Optimize, select Drive C, Optimize, select Turn. Drive C before then Optimize. Deoptimized drive is finished defragmenting the hard drive. Let's turn it off. Let's open the Run dialog box. Type me%%app.a%. Press the OK, it will get into the roaming folder. Here we will check which software takes up a lot of space by right-clicking on Press Properties as we see the folder. My X-Browser Properties. It's very large. Multiple working sessions. It's going to pull a very, very large capacity of 11.1 gigabytes. We'll be inside in a minute. Let's find out which file generate a lot of space. We'll delete it. Remember, you have to be careful about this. Let me check again. The Apple Computer file. Apple Computer is a very heavy file. Because I have iTunes installed, so it has a copy. Backup of my iPhone is back. Capacity, it occupies up to 3.05 gigabytes. Let's check again. Let's see which one. It takes up a lot of space. We'll delete it. That's 3.04 gigabytes, remember? How do you point the mouse? It does not show GB. Then you have to turn it on. Right-click and select Properties. Now I'm going to delete it. Just Shift+Delete the sheet as usual. Then, Incognito. I'll keep looking. Which file is the file? It takes up a lot of space. I'll delete it. In this step you must persevere for me because in this roaming folder, it's a folder that takes up a lot of space. That's why we persist, we erase. Here I am. The Shift+Delete is straight. I'll look for more, but I think that file. This folder is the largest folder. If you have other software like Photoshop or design software, sure, it will save a lot in this roaming folder. Then you are patient, you find it for you to delete. Now there's a 443 megabytes file that I'm going to delete. Next, to X-Browser, I saw it has 111 gigabytes that. I'll find out where it is so I can erase it. Browse data is definitely here. Do the same with other software. And erase it all. So we've cleaned up the roaming folder. Thank you very much.